Do you want to read unread messages on Messenger? You can filter all unread chats in Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To read unread messages on Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, tap on the Chats menu at the bottom of the screen. You will see all the chat conversations here. Now, swipe down the chat screen. 3 different options will be visible: all, unread, and groups. Select unread from the different options. Now, Messenger will automatically filter and show only your unread messages. Tap on any chat from the list to open and read the unread message. Once opened, your message will no longer appear in the unread filter.